Recently, I've checked my Instagram, and Ghoulie Derbies, if you guys don't know who Ghoulie Derbies is, he makes pretty much saltwater bass tournaments, and the 2023 season is coming to an end right now, and he wanted to make a last chance qualifier for anyone who did not make it into the championships of this series, and I hope we do very, very well. I hope we can make the cut to get into the championships. It would be so much fun to fish that. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get out there finally with my kayak, which is going to be a well-needed tool to help us catch some fish for this tournament. Let's go ahead, send you guys straight to the water.
We're off. Let's get it. There we go. I'm on. There we go. Little guy. Definitely a 12-incher. Hit that hookup baits. Let me get a picture with the code number, and I'm gonna release him right away. All right, let's get it. There we go. Check that out. Another little spotty on the hookup baits. Quarter ounce hookup baits getting it done. All right, little 12-incher. Let's go in and get him released. Oh shoot, I think I'm on. Yeah, a little bit better one. Hookup baits, gets bit. Check out that fish, not bad. It's about a 13-incher. Let me get a pick and get him released. Quarter ounce anchovy, getting bit tonight. Beautiful. Let's go and let this beauty go. Thanks for playing. Catch you later. Yes. Yo, finally we got one. This guy's crazy. Got him on that little submission fishing slow pitch jig. Yes, thank you so much for biting. It's been so slow right now. It's going to get this guy unhooked. All right, 12.5-incher. Let's go ahead and release him right now. Thanks for biting. I really, really appreciate it. See you later. Yes. Just smoked a big one, I think. Oh yeah, it's a much fatter one. I was dragging it along these rocks right over here, and this guy just hammered it. Tournament's about to end, but I'm trying to catch a couple right now. All right, 13.5 right over here. Pretty solid fish. Let's go ahead and let him free. That's really gonna up our chances. So thanks a lot for biting. I really appreciate it. See you later. Oh my God. You guys saw
Finally, we finished the tournament. We didn't catch too many big fish. We were catching a bunch of tiny fish the entire tournament. I think we might have a chance. Let me go ahead and pull out my phone. Yo, we actually got 5th place, dude. That's so clutch. We got so lucky. We actually made the cut to the championships.
Whoa, I just landed a ginormous one.
Holy cow, look at this beast. Check check out this nice body I just caught. See you later. See you later. Catch you later. See you later. Oh, this ginormous beast. See you later.
You guys better stay tuned for that video. It's gonna be awesome. I hope we do well. I appreciate you guys staying till the end of this video. And if you guys enjoyed the video, go ahead and hit the like button. If you guys want to see me testing out my kayak, go ahead and click right over here. We had such a fun time unboxing and having fun with that thing. And we'll see you guys right on the other side.